Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Peter in China Plus. So this morning I will give you an interview of Shandong Mold Plastic Company. So could you please give me the advantage of our company?
魔术公司呢，具备2类医疗器械生产资质，是全国疫情防控重点保障企业。
Shandong Mold Plastic Company has the qualification for the production of the second-class medical devices, and it is a national key guarantee enterprises for the epidemic prevention and control.
我们拥有4条熔喷布的生产线，由道安股份呢直供优质稳定的熔喷聚丙烯专用量。
We have 4 fully automatic nonwoven fabric production lines, and the raw material is from Shandong polymer melt blown PP.
产品的纤维呢超细柔软，具有呢低阻高效低衰减的优点。
Our production has the advantage of uniform, excellent fiber performance, low resistance, and high efficiency.
我们自有口罩的生产线具备呢随时检验熔喷布呢在这个口罩上面应用的效果的一个优势。
We have our own face mask production line as well, and it has the advantage of demonstrating application of the melt-blown nonwoven fabric in any time.
可以根据客户呢性能还有尺寸等要求呢来进行个性化的定制，满足不同的需求。
Our face mask can be customized according to different kind of customers' requirements, such as the performance and size, to meet different demands. Okay, thank you. Thank you for joining our interview.